Kung anong laman ng puso, yun ang lalabas sa bibig. Sa Gospel today, Jesus reminds us, from the fullness of the heart, the mouth speaks. Ouch! Kung puro bitterness ang lalabas, complain, sarcasm, mura. But if your heart is full of grace, ang lalabas, kindness, truth, healing. Saint John Chrysostom was called the golden mouth because his words gave life. You too can be golden, not through perfect speeches, but through words that build, not break. Today, speak one word of encouragement to someone who needs it. Yung tagos sa puso. Speak from your depth, not your drama. G ka ba?